In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana alternatives. If you've been using Asana for project management or you're just exploring tools for your team, it's really helpful to understand what else is out there and which platforms are best suited to different needs and team sizes. Let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is ideal if you want almost everything in one single platform. It combines task management, documents, goals, and dashboards all in one place. This means your team can plan projects, write documentation, track objectives, and see high-level reports without jumping between tools. The trade-off is that ClickUp can feel overwhelming at first. There are a lot of features, views, and settings. If you choose it, plan some time to explore templates and start simple, then layer in more features as your team gets comfortable. Next is Trello. Trello is great if you prefer simple visual task boards. It's built around the Kanban system, where you move cards across lists like to do, doing, and done. You can drag and drop tasks, add checklists, and assign people. It's an excellent starter tool for individuals, small teams, or straightforward workflows. However, it's not ideal for very complex project structures with multiple dependencies or advanced reporting needs. Then we have Monday.com. This is best for visual workflows and team dashboards. Monday.com lets you build colorful boards to track work, automate routine updates, and monitor progress across teams. It's especially strong for business teams that want both automation and tracking in one place. One thing to keep in mind is that costs can increase as your team grows and you add more seats or advanced features, so factor that into your planning. Notion is another popular option, particularly if you want to combine documents and tasks in a flexible way. You can create pages, databases, and task lists and link them together to build your own system. It's widely used by startups and content teams because it doubles as a knowledge base and a project hub. The main drawback is that Notion usually requires manual setup to behave like a full project management tool. You may need to build or adapt templates to get exactly what you want. Rike is well suited for enterprise-level project tracking. It offers strong reporting, detailed timelines, and built-in approvals, which makes it useful for larger organizations with formal processes. The interface can feel more complex, so it tends to fit teams that are ready for a robust tool and can invest time in onboarding. Smartsheet is best if your team loves spreadsheets. It feels a lot like working in a familiar spreadsheet environment, but with automation and project management features layered on top. This can be a smooth transition for teams already working heavily in Sheets. On the downside, the interface is less modern and can be less intuitive compared to newer tools. To wrap up, a simple way to choose is this. If you're a beginner, Trello or Notion are good, approachable options. If you're a growing team that needs more structure and automation, consider Monday.com or ClickUp. And if you're an enterprise with complex tracking and reporting needs, Rike or Smartsheet are often a better fit.